Starting in the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Praise be to Allah who bestowed me this heart to be in front of you. Good morning, everyone, respected principals, teachers, parents, guests, and my fellow graduates. Today, I'm going to talk about something simple but powerful. Something that changes life, that is time. But before I commence my topic, let me send you one greeting that you from my expensive heart, that is Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To be honest, time waits for no one, because it is one of the most things we have. Once it passes, we can't get it back. Because if we see in our lives, we will find that time is like gold. It is the most precious things we have. We have only a limited amount of time in our lives. We should not waste our time on things that do not matter, but focus on things that do. We should not delay our works and tasks, but do them on time and with quality. There is a famous saying, if you value your time, then time will value you. But if you reign your time, then time will reign your whole life. We can achieve everything in life by using our time wisely. But if we waste our time, we will lose our opportunity and regret later. Learn the value of 1 minute from a traveler who missed his train by 1 minute. And learn the value of 1 year from a student who failed in his annual exams. Those who value their time can accomplish everything in their life, but those who do not value their time become failures in their life. So, if you want to do something in your life, then never be lazy and procrastinate your work. Otherwise, one day you will regret. Because success is not easy. You have to sacrifice, because it is earned by effort, patience, and perseverance. So, first I thank Allah who bestowed me this heart to be in front of you. Secondly, I thank to my principals, teachers, especially my master teacher, Hintis Omar. Secondly, I thank to my teacher Shafi Muhammad Abdullah, who taught me English very much. Above all, I thank all the branches, guests, principals, and my fellow graduates who participated in our event party. And I say to you, thank you so much.